We are going to see that on the 5th of June. They have to make a decision because they are about to go bankrupt. So it is inevitable now that it has to happen. Is it going to be good for it? Is it not? Well, as long as there is liquidity coming into the space, that'll make the market pump, the crypto space pump. But if there's no liquidity coming into the space and they're tightening, they're increasing rates, tightening the printing, etc., guys, we've got a lot of problems then for Bitcoin is what I'm going to say. Guys, it's 7 p.m. on Wednesday evening tonight as I'm recording this video. I will publish it as soon as I am done with it. So you will get this pretty much not live stream, but pretty much fresh off the recording. Thank you to my 666 subscribers. What a number to have, I must say. Guys, I see your notifications. I promise you I will be coming back to you. Hopefully I will be getting to the notifications tomorrow. So keep a lookout for your notifications when I do that, because I will be responding to you. I am trying to get to you guys at least 2, maybe 3 times a week, if not a little bit more, but twice a week at the very minimum. I'm ready to really pushing to get with you guys. So thanks for being here. Awesome in abundance. As always, you bless your beautiful souls every day and everywhere, making you wealthier and happier on the channel. Guys, we've got a lot to discuss. Very quick video. I've cleaned up my charts. I've given you a new chart, and I'm going to show you exactly where I believe Bitcoin is coming over the next couple of weeks. And I'm going to say, unfortunately, it doesn't look too good. Yeah, as much as this video here says that there might be some retracements and pullbacks, there are currently retracements and pullbacks busy happening. That's why the market fell quite nicely today. So let's go and have a look at that and not even waste any more time, guys. I'm not going to show you any news in this video. I'm just going to be talking about the Bitcoin chart, and I'm going to be going right here. So we're going to start off on the daily time frame, just for now. Okay, so lots of information here for you guys. So let me just start off just quickly removing this one so that we are a little bit more clear at the moment. Okay, so basically you can see here, first of all, there is a very, very strong support resistance line here. We did create a head and shoulders pattern, and we are dropping down for that right now. The target for that, okay, would be at down here, okay, which ironically is in very, very close alignment with the 200 MA. Okay, so this is the 200 MA on the daily. Then on top of it, I did put a target down here of 21,348, which is where I believe we will find complete support in Bitcoin if there is a further breakdown, which unfortunately it is looking like a little bit like it. You can see we've got a strong candle, reversal candle in this moment. The RSI is flipping and crossing now right up there, and there is a bit of volume coming in. So for me, this is going to probably break this neckline here, okay, and then it's not that much further down to this point, which essentially is very strong resistance, support at this line, which is 24,775, okay. So 24,775 is my first target. I believe we'll probably just smack right down here and then pump maybe back up here and then break through here and then retest and then once more before we maybe kind of get out of the apex here. At this point, that is where I would say to you would be your last in this entire circle here. This is where I would say to you would be your absolute last opportunity, in my personal view, okay, to get into Bitcoin at a very, very cheap price. Now, guys, if you're enjoying the content, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, because you guys know that the content loves to see you liking it. So I want to see 10 likes on this video, please. Thank you very much. And of course, if you are watching and you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe in the moment. Let me show you one small pattern, other pattern that we have kind of formed here. It is a bit of a channel, and I just want to show you, it's ironic that the channel ends up down at this target down all the way here. So, and that's why, in fact, let me give you my lines back. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's go back there and give it one more. So basically, I said to you guys, we could just kind of collapse here, push, break through, push, break through, push, break through, push, and then bam! Okay. And then probably hit this level as resistance to retest before we actually break out. And then we would probably come and meet this upward sloping line somewhere along here, which would essentially break us out of this this high of the 31 to 32K zone, right? So very interesting to see where we can head up. This would be all the way up at the 33,000 level if we were to do this, something like this, 33,346 level. So that would be great. If we were to break out of here, we still have this level of resistance to club. Now, you can see that this circle right here, guys, right here, has ironically been the resistance of this level plus the resistance of this level. And we have hit 1, 2, 3, 4 times. For me, guys, the more you tap it, yes, the better chance of it breaking out. But the RSI and the volume, speaking the language that it's speaking, this move looks more likely to come down here and stay in touch with the 200 moving average, which would essentially bring us to a very strong support level. And the 200 moving average is at 22,967. Guys, if you want to trade this with me, hit my Bybit link below. You're going to get $30,000 deposit bonus. We have officially now the last candle of the month. So I want to go and jump very quickly to the monthly time frame. Excuse me, let's go back on the daily, because there was a reason I added the EMA ribbon for us. Okay, so the EMA ribbon currently is being tested to the bottom side. So honestly, we could sit sideways for a little bit, like we could go sideways, but the RSI is telling us it wants to pull down. So I would listen to the RSI. We haven't seen the sell on the UT bots. It's very likely that it will come in tomorrow if there is more downside pressure on the UT bot signal, okay? Especially because of where we're at this resistance level. So head and shoulders pattern, target for head and shoulders. Yeah. Is that right? Yes, yeah. Okay, there you go. So, okay, so now I want to go and show you the EMA ribbon on the monthly as well, because this is also going to matter, right? So we're closing a very good green candle in the month, okay? Last month closed above in volume, just above the top of the EMA. We are wide, which is great. We haven't yet crossed, which is great. This candle is strong. It's similar to last month's volume. We are pushing up on the RSI, but we have met a bit of resistance here. We could literally have a huge spike out over the next week or so. We could sit flat for 1 week. We then spike out the next week. But guys, I would be very, very cautious trading for the next 2 to 4 weeks, especially because of the US debt ceiling scenario that's about to unfold. We are going to see that on the 5th of June. They have to make a decision because they are about to go bankrupt. So it is inevitable now that it has to happen. Is it going to be good for it? Is it not? Well, as long as there is liquidity coming into the space, that'll make the market pump, the crypto space pump. But if there's no liquidity coming into the space and they're tightening, they're increasing rates, tightening the printing, etc., guys, we've got a lot of problems then for Bitcoin is what I'm going to say to you, okay? And we could essentially have something like this where we pull like this and then pull down. So we're kind of at that level in resistance on the RSI as well, where there's strong sell pressure, where we actually have to make a decision. Are we going to go continue further up, break the EMA? And once, guys, might I tell you, once we break the EMA, we test and we break the EMA, it is generally massive pump, a little bit of a dump for retest, and then a fuck you pump. Okay, so we could just go up a little bit more, maybe the 31, 32, break it, fake out, come back down here, and then bam! Run for the Bitcoin! Yeah, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that content on the daily and the weekly. Currently on the 12-hour, there you go. We're getting a strong sell signal now on the 12-hour. on the UT bots, which tells me that it's time to take a sell. Except on the 12-hour, we are finding support on this 200 EMA since the Friday the 12th of May. So we have found support on it for nearly half a month. So that's a good sign. But if we do break it now, and I have no doubt we might, that would be actually a very good entry, probably to take a short on Bitcoin down. But it would be silly to take a short in the market unless you know what you're doing. So don't do it unless you know what you're doing, okay? Honestly, if we were to take a short, I'd wait for it to drop, pull back, and then take the short at that kind of entry. And that's that, guys. Guys, let me know what you think about Bitcoin and what it's about to do. Let me know if you believe that it's going to be the 24,775 target or the 21,348 target. Let me know in the comments down below, please. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Thanks for being here, you beautiful, wonderful souls. And we'll see you on the next one. Blessed beings.